The side braid is a cute and versatile hairstyle that can be worn with side-swept bangs or as a romantic, slightly messy look. You can do a basic side braid or try a variant like French, Dutch, or a 4-strand braid. To achieve this style, brush your hair thoroughly and part it on the side, allowing for a messy or zigzag part if desired. Gather all your hair to one side, making sure the shortest pieces are long enough to braid. Split the hair into 3 sections and begin braiding, crossing the outer sections over the middle alternately. Stop at the desired length and secure the end with an elastic band. If you like, you can pull a few shorter strands of hair near your temples out of the braid to frame your face. For a French braid, gather your hair to one side and start the braid underneath the ear opposite the shoulder where you've gathered your hair. Split this section into 3 strands and begin braiding as usual. Then gradually start incorporating more hair into the upper half of the braid by adding strands from the bottom of the hair that's been swept over your shoulder. Once you've added all sections of hair across the nape of your neck, finish the braid by braiding the remaining hair in a normal 3-strand braid. Secure the braid with an elastic band, arrange any wisps of hair, and spray with hairspray if desired. Tug on sections of the braid to lightly loosen it for a messier, effortless look.